Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of the sound occasionally cutting out on your Samsung the Frame TV. Let's start by disabling HDMI CEC to prevent HDMI handshake interruptions causing audio dropouts by pressing the settings button on your remote control. Press OK. The settings button is located right beneath your power button, just in case. Go to all settings and navigate to sound. Not sound, but connection. Now in connection, select external device manager and disable HDMI CEC by switching this toggle to the left. Then if this didn't fix the issue, let's also disable adaptive sound. To do that, go to sound mode, and disable adaptive sound feature. Change it to either standard or amplify if you want to hear your speaker louder. You can also go to expert settings and disable auto voluming or enable it if it was disabled, and check if this helps you with the problem. Now also let's power cycle the TV and audio devices. To do that, turn off your TV holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, then unplug it from the power source alongside with your sound bar or a receiver. Just leave them without a power for, well, at least half a minute, and then plug them back in and power on to reset HDMI connections and clear possible glitches. And if this doesn't help you, you can also test other HDMI cables with your receiver or soundbar, depending on what you're using. And also you can go back to settings on your TV and check if there are any available software updates by going to support, software update, and then click update now to update your device. Check if there are any available updates on the internet. Basically let your TV check for any available updates, and if you have any, then of course download and install them on your TV. And as the last resort, you can go to General and Privacy menu and select Factory Data Reset to erase everything from your device. This will remove all the files stored on your device, all the settings, and also it will remove all the Samsung accounts you have on your TV. But this will also may also be able to help you with this issue, but use it as a last resort. So that's basically it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.